This video is all about the animations I've made for my main character and the goblin enemy. I'm going to be talking specifically about how I made it in 3ds Max and not about it in Unreal. For that, look down below. To begin with, let's talk about the ways I could have animated my character. There are two ways we've learnt and two ways new that I want to try. The first and easiest is using mix ammo. This wouldn't work with this model even if I wanted to, but specifically I wanted to try making some of my own animations. Next, the simple characters method, where we make our own joints and then animate it by rotating. This could work, and in the end is essentially what I did, but as I said, I wanted to try something new. Now for the new ones. The first, using the bones that you can see here. A friend recommended to it and said it was relatively easy, and I wanted to explore as many new possibilities as I could, especially during this early stage of my game design career. Finally, inverse kinematics. This is a method used by lots of games nowadays and works fundamentally different from what we've learnt. This would be good to do, but unfortunately, I don't know how to set it up, and from small amounts of research it seems slightly complicated and too much effort for the amount of time I have. So as you can see, from the project, I went with the bones. As I just mentioned, it works the exact same way as a joint system does in the simple character project, but I'm going to go through it anyway. If you already know what I'm on about and have gone through the post, you can just skip the rest of the video here. Basically, once I lined up the bones to the body, I used the skin modifier to link the mesh to the bones. This is the same as creating a hierarchy in the simple characters project. I then move the joints to the place I want them to be in the timeline. I then use the set key so it remembers the position of where the bones are. I then set the bones to each of the keyframe locations. Then once I do that, the program will do the rest and fill in the blanks. I do this for every animation I want the player to make, then export them into Unreal to use. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.